Hello, this is Ajay Parikh, your education counselor from Scholar Academy. Uh, thank you. I hope Mayur, you and your family also are very well and safe in this pandemic situation. I really hope that everything is good at your end. Yes, I am safe. I am fortunate to be safe. Very much thank you for your concerns. Okay, so Mayur, as I see, you were searching for coding classes, right? And as I have gone through your searching and everything, I see that I would like to ask you that are you like beginner in terms of coding, or have you done any courses or classes or college or something? Okay. So you have done diploma in computer engineering, right? And now you want to take it further with some extra classes, advanced level classes, right? Okay. So, how would you like to start in terms of coding specifically? Like, you would like to start from beginning, or you already are aware about something so that you can, start from the immediate level or intermediate, or if you are aware about something, you can start directly from that level. O- Okay, so you have attended classes in college, but you are not very much clear, right? Okay, okay, so I'll guide you in that situation as well. So what happened at Scholar Academy, we are providing coding classes for at every level from beginning to any level that you would wish to go for. Okay, so in terms of your information, I would suggest you one course, that will cover everything from beginning to end. Like if I say that you everything will be covered from starting to the end, that till you master in the coding, right? Okay, this course will be like 39 weeks long, where there will be three classes in each week, three live classes that you will have to attend, and every live classes will be conducted with the live assisting mentoring as well, so that you can have any doubts or something, you can immediately clear it. Okay, now classes, if coming to the classes, that how it will be conducted and timing and everything. So for that you will be like having completely flexibility on your end before joining, so that how will it go is, there will be three classes as I said. And for batch and timing, it will be depending on you, that we are having the different batches, so you can select as per your timing flexibility, so that you would not miss out every now and often. Okay, right. So okay, as I see that you'd be okay, and you not will not be having much of a timing concern, right? As you are currently pursuing your education, right? Okay, so you have some okay, but currently even college classes must be online because of this situation, right? Okay, no worries. Anyway, you can select your own timing, so that that classes will be selected, and your batch will be provided you by your timing only. So that will not be any major concern. Okay. So about classes, once you select your timing and you join with the Scholar Academy, how will it go is, you will have three classes a week, and all the classes will have a live interaction and a live doubt solving, as I said. And also in for every classes you will get a recorded session as well, the live classes which are being taken by the scholar, our based of the experienced tutor, that most probably you can, like I would like to tell you about the tutors first, that the people who teach coding in the Scholar Academy are none of the other than the based of the coding masters across the India, or even I can say across the globe, as they have worked for Facebook, Google, Amazon, and they have developed certain applications, certain class, like our founder, if I tell you, he has developed the main coding design. He has designed main aspect of the Facebook Messenger, that application is being vastly used across the globe, right? So you will get the best of the faculties and everything, so that you will not have to be worried about, and their program will be not like the normal college classes that you will be attending. It will be like mainly about the focusing on the structured coding program, so that you can have everything in a base model from base to end. So everything will be structured in a way that you do not have to worry about missing something or react. I mean, you will not be missing anything. Okay. Okay, great. And apart from that, you will have, what you will get is your full from A to Z will be covered. Apart from that, you will be getting one-on-one mentorship for your regular doubt or any queries that you might face across the course for all 39 weeks. And then what additionally you will get is the maximum thing you will be getting here is a most best possibility of the placement across the leading ITs companies and startups that are going through right now. If you see that, we already have an alumni of more than 2000 plus students who have mastered coding from Scalar, and they are doing they're based in various startups across the India, as well as even established companies like Microsoft, Wipro, a lot. I would say I will share you the details in the PDF format over the mail so that you can go through it. A large placement companies are available as well, that in which you can get placement. No, and for placement you will be, I would say that you will be having an alumni access as well, that our alumni that I told about more than 2000 students that have excelled from our academy. You'll be able to access them and get in touch with them for your guidance, for like interview preparation, CV preparation, so that you can have a best outcome when you are you are go through with the course, right? Because by education way you will be all clear, and I am sure that you will not be having any doubt in terms of coding or designing website or application, anything. But still, for cracking interviews and creating impressive CV, everything will you will get in the same profile as well. Okay. So if from, as I told from beginning to getting your desired job, you'll get everything here at one place, and that too from your home. You don't have to go anywhere, you do not have to commute or and anything. Like, you best possible way is the currently, I would say. Okay. Yeah, so do you have any questions or something that you would like to ask or clarify with me? Okay, great, great. No problem, no problem. I'll definitely share you with that, and that you will have some additional contact details as well. You'll always be able to contact on me, that because that mail will be having my contact details with my email ID and contact number. So okay, okay. I'll let you go through the brochure I will be sending you, and we'll connect back you by tomorrow. Is that good? Tomorrow morning. Great, great. I'll contact you tomorrow morning. Thank you. Thank you very much, Mayur. Have a nice day.